Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you this vehicle here, the Carthago Liner for 2, one of my favorite motorhomes, and I'm going to try and do it in under 3 minutes. First thing, stack of storage in the double floor. It's got a really big garage in the back, although it could be a bit bigger if the fantastic rear lounge wasn't here. This also gives you an idea of the double floor. This, I think, is the pièce de résistance. This wonderfully large lounge at the back, a 270-degree sofa. I've got the 40-inch television over there. Storage all the way around, looks very luxurious. Here we've got this very nice kitchen, 3 burners, oven, stacks of storage. Obviously there's a sink with a, I would say, domestic size, certainly tap, but also plug and even sink in there. Let's come through the front. Here we've got these clever called apothecary or chemist's drawers in German. So in English I think they're pull-out drawers. Doesn't sound so good in English as it does in German. Let's now come to the front now and close this door here, and there we have the toilet, sink, and coming around here we've got the shower. Now where's the bed? Well, the bed is up here, and this is the clever part of this. To get the bed, you're either driving or you're sleeping. You're probably not doing both, or at least you shouldn't be doing both. Bed will drop down over this position here. Chairs will obviously have to be put down to make the space, and then you've got the bed up there. Brilliant idea. This idea has been used by other manufacturers, but I think in the Carthago version it is probably the best of all. Got storage down here as well, and there's as well as steps up to the bed. There we have also some more storage. So this, we can say this bit here is our dressing room. Right, now I've given you a very short, quick overview of it. Freezer, fridge, see what the time is, see how much electricity is in the vehicle, and see how much water is from up there. So nice big wide door here, and there you go. If you're interested in seeing a longer video on what I think is a magnificent motorhome, it's a bit too big for me. It costs a fortune, costs about €250,000, but I'll link below to a longer video. Thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting.